Something like some entertainment at the top of Flute.
Sorry?
Something like some entertainment at the top of Flute.
It's always a clown.
Don't stop. Thank you. All he needs is you need the big long one. To go Ricola. Hi Carolyn, how'd you get up here? How did you get here?
The old-fashioned way.
That one was playing accordion. Yeah.
I'm reliving the moment.
Exactly. Through the miracle of Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Gotta get that shit posted before.
There's the burgers. Here comes the burgers.
Burgers? I got no burgers.
Oh, well, where's Jimmy?
Yeah, the family up there was looking for them.
They want to put an order in.
They're calling me burgers.
Swift bars they were giving away at
Last year's.
World Series.
At last year's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's still good.
But yeah, I'm gonna go right here. Oh yeah, look at this. Woo! Whoa, rocks! Woo! Lots of them! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! How good was that? You got like 6 turns. I rocked the shit out of my skis.
Oh, yeah, I didn't give you rock. Just the top.
Oh yeah, check this out. Oh my God, get up here. Get up here. I just pushed through it, it's so deep. Just pick a ski up and push through it.
Grapes?
Yeah. Well, you need to turn a bit more.
Well, it wasn't steep enough.
To get a no, you could have still look at our tracks look okay, but you could have cranked it.